Now problem set 2, choose the correct answer. Which of this is quadratic equation? Now what do you mean by quadratic equation? When highest power of variable is 2, it is said to be quadratic equation. So let's see. The first one is 5 by x minus 3 equal to x square. So LCM will be x, so we'll multiply throughout by x. So here 5x minus 3x, no 5x, x will get cancelled, so only 5. 5 minus 3x equal to x cube. As you can see, highest power is 3. Highest power of variable is 3. So it is a cubical equation, so it is not a quadratic equation. So A option is incorrect. B, x under bracket x plus 5 equal to 2. Just multiply x square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Here highest power of variable is 2. So yes, it is quadratic equation. So answer B is correct. But then too we'll see C and D as well. See, n minus 1 equal to 2n. 2n and n minus 1 will go there. So 0 equal to 2n minus n plus 1. So 0 equal to n plus 1. So value of n equal to minus 1. So power of n is 1. It is not 2. So it is linear equation. It is not quadratic equation. And the next one, 1 upon x square x plus 2 equal to x. Now 1 upon x square, so 1 into x plus 2 is x plus 2 upon x square equal to x. By cross multiply, x plus 2 equal to x into x square. X into x square is x cube. So x plus 2 equal to x cube. Here highest power is 3. So definitely this is not a quadratic equation. So which is quadratic equation? Option B is the correct answer. The next one. Out of the following equation, which one is not a quadratic equation? Now which one of the following is not a quadratic equation? So let's see. Earlier we have to find which is quadratic equation. Now which is not a quadratic equation? So first one, x square plus 4x equal to 11 plus x square get cancelled. So 4x equal to 11. So here highest power is 1. So definitely it is not a quadratic equation. So A is not a quadratic equation. So A is the correct answer. Here the highest power is 2. So it is quadratic equation. Highest power is 2. So it is quadratic equation. Here also x square on the both the side of equal to. But here x square is in negative form. So as x square will go there, it turns into positive. So x square plus x square will be 2x square. So highest power will be 2 only. Highest power will be 2 only. So this is also quadratic equation. The question is which is not a quadratic equation? The A. Option A is not a quadratic equation. Number 3. Now third. The roots of x square plus kx plus k equal to 0 are real and equal. Find the value of k. Now to find the value of k when roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal means delta equal to 0. Now what is value of delta? B square minus 4ac is the formula for delta discriminant. Now what is B in the equation? A, B and C. So B is k square minus 4 into A value is 1 and value of C is k equal to 0. So k square minus 4 into 1 into k is 4k equal to 0. Take out k as common. So k under bracket k minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore k equal to 0 or k minus 4 equal to 0. Hope you remember the rule. The product of two number is 0. That means one of them is 0. So k equal to 0 or k minus 4 is equal to 0. So k equal to 0 but k equal to minus 4 will go there, become plus 4. So k equal to 0 and k equal to 4. So these are the answers. So option C is the correct one. Sum number 4. for root 2 x square minus 5x plus root 2 equal to 0. Find the value of discriminant, and discriminant is again delta. Delta is b square minus 4ac. We need to find the value of delta. So delta equal to b square minus 4 into a into c. Now here the b is the middle term, which is minus 5. A is the first term, which is root 2, and the c is also root 2, the same term. Now just we need to simplify. So delta equal to minus square is plus, 5 square is 25, minus root 2 into root 2 is 2, and 2 fours are 8. Therefore delta equal to 25 minus 8, which is 17. So value of discriminant is 17. Now in option you have to see minus 5, 17, root 2 and 2 root 2 minus 5. So 17 is the correct answer. Number 5. Which of the following quadratic equation has root 3 and 5? Which equation has root 3 and 5? So for that there are two condition. There are two methods also. First method is with the help of roots make quadratic equation or factorize this equation. So better we will make the equation because that is more easy. We know the equation is always in the form of x square minus sum of roots x plus product of root equal to 0. So x square minus, what is sum of root? 3 plus 5x. What is product of root? 3 into 5 equal to 0. 3 into 5. So x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. So x square minus 8x plus 15. So B is the correct answer. Next, out of the following equation, find the equation having sum of the root minus 5 minus 5. We know the sum of root when equation is given. Sum of roots when equation is given, which is alpha plus beta and which is minus b upon a. Right? So in first a, b and c. A, b and c. So in first equation sum of the root, that is alpha plus beta, will be minus b upon a, which is minus 15. No, minus 15, right? Minus is a for formula and b is minus 15 upon a is 3. So plus 15 upon 3, and 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So 5. Next one. So we don't want 5, we want minus 5. The second one is alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. Minus b value is minus 5, and what is value of a? 1, right? So it is minus into minus plus 5 by 1. Again we are getting plus 5 by 1. The next one, C, alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a, minus 3 upon 1. So minus 3, but we want minus 5, so this is also not possible. And the D, alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a equal to minus plus 15, right? It is plus 15 upon a is 3. Now plus into minus, minus 15 upon 3. 3 5s are, so minus 5. So D, here the sum of root is coming minus 5. Sum of root is minus 5. So D is the correct answer. The next one, root 5m square minus root 5m plus root 5 equal to 0. Which of the following statement is true for the given equation? Right? Real and unequal roots. Real and equal roots. Roots are not real. 3 roots. Now what is given here? The in options nature of the roots are given. So for nature of the roots, what we have to find? Delta, that is discriminant. So we will compare first the equation with ax square plus bx plus c. So what is a? Root 5. What is b? Minus root 5. And what is c? Root 5. Now we'll find out delta. Delta is b square minus 4ac. equal to b is minus root 5 square minus 4 into root 5 into root 5. Minus square is plus, root 5 square is 5, minus root 5 into root 5, 5, and 5 fours are 20. So 5 minus 20 and 5 minus 20 is minus 15. As delta is negative, hope you know the rule, delta is negative. So roots are unreal, not real. So C is the correct answer. One of the root of the equation x square plus mx minus 5 equal to 0 is 2. Find the value of m. One of the root of the equation x square plus mx minus 5 is 2. Find the value of m. So we know the one of the root. So first we'll write equation x square plus mx minus 5 equal to 0. We know the value of one of the root is 2. So we'll assume x equal to 2. Therefore 2 square plus m under bracket 2 minus 5 equal to 0. Wherever x, just substitute x equal to 2. Instead of x, you have to write just 2. So 4 plus 2m minus 5 equal to 0. So 2m plus 5 minus 4. So m equal to 1 by 2. 5 minus 4 is 1 upon 2. So m equal to 1 by 2. So m equal to C, which is 1 by 2. And this is the answer of 8th one. So hope you understood all 8 MCQs. The question number 2 is, which equation is a quadratic equation? And you know it very well, when the highest power of the variable is 2, then the equation is said to be quadratic equation. So first of all we need to find power, but before that we have to write in index form. Is it in index form? Yes. Now we will write power. So power. What is power of this? 2. What is power of x? 1. X raised to 1. Power is x raised to 2. X raised to 1. There is no x, so power is 0. As highest power of variable is 2. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation. The next one. First we need to simplify and write in which form? Index form. To write index form we have 2x square x square. This x square will come on this side. So x square minus x square minus 2x plus 5 equal to 0. We know plus x square minus x square get cancelled. So minus 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Now we have to write power. What is power of x? 1. What is power of only 5? It doesn't have any variable, so power is 0. As highest power of variable is 1. So it is which equation? Linear equation, not a quadratic one. So the given equation is not a quadratic equation, because for quadratic equation we need highest power to be 2. The next one, x plus 2 the whole square. We know the identity, and the identity that we will be using is a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So as per the identity, x square plus 2 square plus 2 into x into 2 equal to 2x square. X square has no partner right now in the left part. 2 square is 4. 2 2s are 4 into x is 4x. and this 2x square. Now x square and 2x square is greater, so this entire three terms, all three terms will go on the right side. So 0 equal to 2x square minus x square minus 4x and minus 4. That is 2x square minus x square is x square minus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. Now we have to write powers. What is power 2? What is power 1? What is power 0? So we'll write as highest power of variable is 2. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation. And this is the end of sum number 2. Sum number 3, find discriminant. What is discriminant? Delta equal to b square minus 4ac. So for that, we have to compare the equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now before that, we have variable as y, so we will write comparing the equation with ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. We will get a equal to 2, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to 2. Therefore, discriminant equal to delta equal to b square minus 4ac minus 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 2 minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 1 minus 16 is minus 15. Therefore delta, that is discriminant, is minus 15. So just we need to find the value of discriminant. The value of discriminant is minus 15. The next one, second equation. The first of all, we have to write the equation in index form. So 5m square minus m plus constant number is missing, so we need to put 0. Now we will compare. So comparing the equation with a m square plus bm plus c equal to 0. As variable is m, I have used m here. Therefore, a equal to 5, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to 0. Therefore, discriminant equal to delta equal to b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4a and c. What is b? Minus 1. What is a? 5. What is c? 0. Minus 1 square is 1. 4 5s are 20. But 20 into 0 is 0. Right? Minus 1 square is 1. Okay? And 4 5s are 20. And 20 into 0 is 0. So 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Okay, so discriminant equal to 1. Therefore, the value of discriminant is 1. Next, comparing the equation with the equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to root 5, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to minus root 5. Now, discriminant. And what is discriminant? Delta. The value is b square minus 4ac equal to b square minus 4 into a into c. b is minus 1, a is root 5, c is minus root 5. Minus square is plus, 1 square is 1. Minus into minus also plus, root 5, 5 4s are 20 equal to 21. So delta equal to 21. Therefore, the value of discriminant is 21. Now, if they ask, write the nature of the root. Here delta is negative, that means roots are not real. Here delta is positive, that's why roots are real but unequal. Delta is positive, 21 is a positive definitely. So roots are real and unequal. If delta comes 0, here it is not coming 0, but if delta comes 0, then roots are real and equal. This is the end of sum number 3. Now sum number 4, 2 mark sums. One of the root of quadratic equation, the equation is this, is minus 2. Find the value of k. So solution. First we'll write given quadratic equation. The given quadratic equation is 2x square plus kx minus 2 equal to 0. As minus 2 is one of the root. As minus 2 is one of the root. Therefore, substitute x equal to minus 2 in given equation. Therefore, 2 minus 2 square plus k minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8. Minus 2 square is plus 4, okay? Plus 4 2s are 8. Now k into minus 2 is minus 2k. Minus 2 equal to 0. Plus minus should not be next to each other, so we need to put a bracket. 8 minus 2 is 6, plus minus minus 2k equal to 0. 6 equal to 2k. And therefore k equal to 6 by 2. And therefore k equal to 3. Therefore, the value of k is 3. The next, two roots are given. Find quadratic equation. So simple. We know when two roots are given, first root we will assume as alpha and the second one as beta. So let alpha equal to 10 and beta equal to minus 10. Then sum of roots, which is alpha plus beta. 10 plus minus 10, and 10 plus minus 10 is 0, because plus 10 minus 10 get cancelled. Product of root. Equal to alpha into beta. Alpha is 10, beta is minus 10. 10 into minus 10 is minus 100. We got the product of root. Now since the quadratic equation is in the form of, and what is the form of quadratic equation? X square minus sum of root x plus product of root equal to 0. So x square minus sum of roots x plus product of roots equal to 0. So x square minus, what is sum of roots? 0. So 0x plus, what is product of root? Product of root is minus 100. So minus 100 equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 0x, if you don't write it's okay, so we will ignore it, plus into minus, minus 100 equal to 0. Therefore the required quadratic equation is x square minus 100 equal to 0. This is the end of fifth, but main sum fifth and the first sum. There are more such sums. Now here, let alpha equal to 1 minus 3 root 5 and beta equal to 1 plus 3 root 5. Now sum of roots equal to alpha plus beta equal to 1 minus 3 root 5 plus 1 plus 3 root 5. Minus 3 root 5 plus 3 root 5 get cancelled and 1 plus 1 is 2. Product of roots alpha into beta equal to 1 minus 3 root 5 into 1 plus 3 root 5. Like an identity, 1 square minus 3 root 5 square, right? A minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. 1 square is 1, minus 3 square is 9, and root 5 square is 5, and 9 5s are 45. One more time, 3 square is 9 and root 5 square is 5. 9 5s are 45. So 1 minus 45. 1 minus 45 is minus 44. This is product of the root. Since the quadratic equation is always in the form of, this time I'll take y as a variable, so y square minus sum of roots y plus product of roots equal to 0. Therefore y square minus sum of root is alpha plus beta, y plus product of the root is alpha into beta equal to 0. Now we'll substitute the value. Minus alpha plus beta is 2, y plus alpha into beta is minus 44 equal to 0, and the final equation minus y square minus 2y minus 44 equal to 0. This is the required equation. Therefore the required equation is y square minus 2y minus 44 equal to 0. The next roots are 0 and 7. So let alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to 7. Sum of roots. Sum of root is alpha plus beta equal to 0 plus 7 equal to 7. Product of root alpha into beta, 0 into 7, anything multiplied by 0 is always 0. The next, since quadratic equation is always in the form of, now I'll take m as a variable, so m square minus sum of roots m plus product of root equal to 0. Therefore m square minus alpha plus beta m plus alpha into beta equal to 0. Now m square will remain m square minus alpha plus beta is 7m plus alpha into beta is 0 equal to 0. Therefore the required equation is m square minus 7m. If you don't write 0, it's okay, equal to 0. And this is the end of sum number 5. Now determine the nature of roots for each of the quadratic equation. 3x square minus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. When we need to find nature of root, we have to find first discriminant called delta. So for that, comparing equation with index form, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 3, b equal to minus 5 and c equal to 7. Now we'll find out delta or discriminant. Delta equal to discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac equal to b square minus 4 into a into c. B is minus 5 square, a is 3, c is 7. Minus 5 square is 25, but plus 25 because minus square is plus. Minus 7 3s are 21 and 21 4s are 84. So 25 minus 84. Now 84 is the bigger number and which is negative, so answer will be negative. Now 14 minus 5 will be 9 and 7 minus 2 will be 5, 59. So delta equal to minus 59. As delta is minus 59, which is negative, that is delta is less than 0. Since delta is less than 0, therefore the roots are not real. So nature of roots are not real, and this is the end. Next, again comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore what is value of a? Root 3. What is value of b? Root 2. What is value of c? Minus 2 root 3. Now discriminant. What is discriminant? Delta, and delta is b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. B value is root 2, a value is root 3 and c value is minus 2 root 3. So root 2 square is 2. Minus into minus is plus, minus into minus plus. Now 4 2s are 8 into root 3 is 3. So 2 plus 8 3s are 24. So 26. Delta equal to 26, as delta is greater than 0 because it is positive. Therefore the roots are real and unequal. The next one, comparing the equation again with standard form or index form. So comparing the equation with a, now this variable is m, so am square plus bm plus C equal to 0. Therefore A equal to 1, B equal to minus 2 and C equal to 1. We will get discriminant equal to delta equal to B square minus 4AC equal to minus 4 into A into C. So B is minus 2, A is 1 and C is 1. So minus 2 square 4, minus 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 and 4 into 4 is 0. So delta equal to 0. So as delta is equal to 0, therefore the roots are real and equal. Okay, so this is the end of sum number 6. Sum number 7, sub question 1. Solve the following: 1 upon x plus 5 equal to 1 upon x square. Cross multiplication, x square into 1 x square equal to 1 into x plus 5 is x plus 5. Both the terms will come here. X square minus x minus 5 equal to 0 is the equation. Now we need to solve this quadratic equation and find the value of x. So how to read? From last. Make 2 part of 5, ones are 5, 5 into ones are 5, such that whose difference is minus 1. The factors of 5 is 5 ones are 5 only and difference is 4. Difference will not come minus 1, right? Difference will come 4. So we cannot do by factorization method, oral factorization method, right? So now the next options are completing square method or formula method. So I would advise you to do formula method because that is easy. So next for formula method we need to compare with index form. So compare x square minus x minus 5 equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to minus 5. Therefore we need to find next is discriminant. Discriminant equal to delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Therefore delta equal to minus 1 square minus 4 into 1 into c. So a is 1, c is minus 5. Therefore delta equal to minus square is plus, 1 square is 1, minus into minus plus, 4 5s are 20. Therefore delta equal to 21. Here discriminant is positive, so definitely you can continue the sum. If by chance discriminant will come negative, then stop here itself and write the roots are not real, that's all. But as the roots are real but unequal, and that's why you have to continue. You know the formula of roots and the variable are x, so roots equal to x equal to minus b plus minus under root delta, which is b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula. Therefore x equal to minus value of b plus minus root delta upon 2 value of a. B value is minus 1, delta value is 21, a value is 1, equal to minus minus plus plus minus root 21. Factors of 21 is possible but nothing will come out, and 2 ones are 2. X, now we will separate them. Therefore x equal to 1 plus root 21 upon 2, or x equal to 1 minus root 21 upon 2. Answer: the roots of equation 1 upon x plus 5 equal to 1 upon x square are 1 plus root 21 upon 2 or 1 minus root 21 upon 2. This is the answer. Sum number 2. The new equation is x square minus 3 upon 10x minus 1 upon 10 equal to 0. It is of 3 marks. So as we know, denominator is 10 and the question is in fraction form. So we have to take LCM. So LCM definitely will be 10. Therefore multiply throughout by 10. Therefore 10x square minus 10 into 3x by 10 minus 10 into 1 upon 10 equal to 0. 10 got cancelled, 10 got cancelled. Therefore 10x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. This is the condition or equation. Now you know the equation very well. 1 into 10. 1 into 10 equal to 10. 1 into 10. Make two part of 10 whose difference means different sign. We want answer negative. So bigger number will be negative, smaller will be positive. Whose difference is 3. Difference is 3. Is it possible? Now the factors of 10 are 5 2s are 10, 10 1s are 10. Is there any difference? 3. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So this is not valid. So cancel it. 5 minus 2 is 3. Yes, here it is possible. So 3 is possible. Make two part of 10 whose difference is 3. Here difference is 3. Answer we want minus. So bigger number minus, smaller number plus. Variable is x. So x. So we got two factors. So we can do it by orally. X square, 10x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So instead of minus 3x, what you have written? Minus 5x plus 2x. Now you need to make pair of two numbers. If you don't underline, it's okay. For explanation, I am underlining it. Now common. Here both are multiple of 5. So 5 is the common, even x is common. So here 5 2s are 10 and x minus 5x has been out as a common, so minus 1 plus here nothing is common, so 1 is common, and 2x minus 1. This both brackets should match and here they are matching, so whatever we did is correct. 2x minus 1 into 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Now what we have to write? Rule, that property. By property of when product of two numbers is 0, that is at least one of them is 0. Therefore 2x minus 1 equal to 0 or 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore 2x equal to 1 or 5x equal to minus 1. So x equal to 1 by 2 or x equal to minus 1 by 5. Therefore, now what we need to find? The answers. The roots of given quadratic equation are half and minus 1 by 5. Hope you got this sum. Sum number 3. 2x plus 3 the whole square equal to 25. And this sum is of 3 marks. Now this is perfect square equal to 25 is also perfect square. So this sum is very easy. So 2x plus 3 the whole square equal to 5 the whole square. Now 5 the whole square will come on this side. So 2x plus 3 the whole square minus 5 the whole square. This was plus, so it came here, so it became minus, equal to 0. Now by identity, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. I know here in a we have two terms, in b we have only one term, that is a plus b, a minus b, that means 2x plus 3 plus 5, 2x plus 3 minus 5. So we'll write that 2x plus 3 plus 5, 2x plus 3 minus 5 equal to 0 by identity. Therefore, now 2x, 3 plus 5 is 8 and 2x, 3 minus 5 is minus 2 equal to 0. Now we know the rule, the product of two number as the product of two numbers is 0. Therefore, at least one of them is 0. Therefore, 2x plus 8 equal to 0 or 2x minus 2 equal to 0. So 2x equal to minus 8 or 2x equal to 2. Therefore, x equal to minus 8 by 2 or x equal to 2 by 2. X equal to minus 4 or x equal to 1. Therefore, the roots of given quadratic equation are minus 4 and 1. Hope you understood third sum as well. This sum you can write identity of a plus b the whole square, like a square plus b square plus 2ab, and 25 will come here, then solve it and then make one equation and then do it by factorization. That is also possible, but that method will be very lengthy. So this is the short and easy method. So whenever the numbers are perfect square, you can do this method. Sum number 4. M square plus 5m plus 5 equal to 0. It is already in index form. Make two part of 5 whose addition is 5. Make two part of 5 whose addition is 5, which is not possible because 5 has only two factors, 5 ones are 5, and their addition is 6, which is not 5. So we can not do by factorization method, like oral factorization method. So we have to do either completing square method or formula method. Here I will advise you to do only formula method because that is very easy. Now for formula method we need to compare. So comparing m square plus 5m plus 5 equal to 0 with am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to 1, b equal to 5 and c equal to also 5. Now what we need to find? Discriminant. And what is discriminant? Delta. The value of delta is b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. b is 5, a1, c is 5. So 25 minus 20. Right? 25 minus 20, and 25 minus 20 is 5. So delta equal to 5. Now delta is positive, so definitely we have to continue the sum. If delta is negative, then stop the sum here. Just write the roots are not real. But here it is positive and plus 5, so we will continue. And now the value of roots, formula of roots. So roots are m. Formula is minus b plus minus under root delta. Delta is b square minus 4ac upon 2a equal to m minus value of b plus minus under root delta upon 2 bracket a. Value of b is 5, b square minus 4ac, which is delta, which is 5, and a is 1. Therefore m equal to minus 5 plus minus root 5 is not possible, will remain root 5 upon 2. Now we need to separate them. Therefore m equal to minus 5 plus root 5 upon 2, or m equal to minus 5 minus root 5 upon 2. Therefore the roots of given quadratic equation equation are minus 5 plus root 5 upon 2 and minus 5 minus root 5 upon 2. We should put bracket back because it is in fraction. So this is the fourth sum. The fifth sum, 5m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. Make two part of 5 ones are 5 whose addition is 2. Now we know 5 has only one factor, just like we did here. 5 ones are 5 and their addition is 6. And do we need 6? No. So definitely it is not applicable by oral method of factorization. So now what we have to do? Formula method. So comparing equation with am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 5, b equal to 2 and c equal to 1. Therefore discriminant equal to delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Therefore delta equal to b. What is b? 2 square minus 4 into 5 into 1. So delta 2 square is 4. 4 5s are 20, 1s are 20. Therefore delta equal to minus 16. Delta should not be negative. Here delta is negative, it means roots are not real. So what we have to write as the delta is negative. So roots are not real as delta is less than 0. Therefore the roots are not real, and if roots are not real you should not continue the sum. So this is the end of sum number 5, which is of 2 marks. Sum number 6, x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0, which is of 3 marks. Now here make two part of 3 whose difference is 4. Make two part of 3 whose difference is 4. 3 has only one factor, 3 ones are 3 and the difference is 2. Difference is 2. We don't want 2, we want 4. So definitely direct or oral method of factorization is not possible. So we will do formula method. So for formula method we need to compare. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to minus 3. Now discriminant. Discriminant means delta, and delta is b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 3. Minus square is plus, 4 square is 16, minus into minus plus, 4 3s are 12, 1s are 12. So it is coming 28. So delta equal to 28. Now roots, and roots are x because the variable is x. Formula is minus b plus minus under root delta, that is b square minus 4ac upon 2a, minus b plus minus under root delta upon 2a. What is b? Value of b is minus 4 plus minus b square minus 4ac is 28 and a, value of a is 1. Now minus, so plus 4 plus minus, right now minus minus plus 4. Now root 28. So 28 has a factors 28, 2 14s are, 2 7s are and 7 1s are. So it will be 2 root 7 upon 2 equal to. Now in denominator we have even number, in numerator both numbers are even numbers, so definitely 2 will be common. So when you remove 2 as a common, here 2 2s are 4 plus minus 2 1s are 2 root 7 upon 2 into 1. 2 2 got cancelled, so 2 plus minus root 7 upon 1. If you don't write, it's okay. Now separating, here this is x, therefore x equal to 2 plus root 7 or x equal to 2 minus root 7. Correct? The next one, the roots of given quadratic equation are 2 plus root 7 and 2 minus root 7. This is the answer, and this is the end of sum number 7.